Hello, my name is David Levin. My research interests include CALL, Computer-Aided Language Learning, Motivation in Language Learning, Intra and Inter-Institutional Comparative Studies, and Questionnaire Design. My name is David Levin. I'm an associate professor here in the Institute of Liberal Arts and Sciences. I've been at豊橋University of Technology since 2002. I am from the United States of America, from a small town called Santa Fe, New Mexico. So let's look at CALL. So in some of my classes, I use CALL material. In particular, I use reading exercises using the internet. And in one study, I found that using these materials actually helped students. It increased their English proficiency. So over one semester, you can see that the student English proficiency increased by almost 5 points on one proficiency test. Looking at motivation in language learning, there are two main ideas in motivation in language learning: integrative and instrumental motivation. What do these mean? Well, for example, integrative is you want to learn a language because you want to speak with the native speakers of that language. Or you want to learn about the culture of that country. Instrumental is more, well, I need to speak English, for example, in order to get a good job. Or I just need to pass this class. Now, often students have both of these motivating factors. So in one study, I looked at TUT students, and they displayed more instrumental motivation than integrative. So they, in particular, students here at this university probably they're studying English because they want to get a good job maybe, or just pass a class. And this is okay, because this type of motivation can also be good when learning English. Looking at an intra-institutional comparative study. So intra means within one institution. So one study, I looked at TUT as a whole, looking at one group consisted of first-year students, and then the other group consisted of second, third, and fourth-year students. And we compared their ideas on English education. And it turned out that the first-year students actually showed a little more enthusiasm when it came to learning English. Now, looking at an inter-institutional comparative study. In this study, I compared students at TUT with students at a private liberal arts university in the Kansai area. And it turned out that the technology students here at TUT actually showed a higher English proficiency than the liberal arts students at a private university in the Kansai area, as you can see here. Now finally, looking at questionnaire design. Often in questionnaires, you have what's called a Likert type scale. And these scales are often strongly disagree, disagree, agree, strongly agree, or there's a middle point of neither agree nor disagree, a neutral option. For this study, I looked at 163 students at TUT and gave them a 14-item bilingual English interest survey. So there was one survey was a forced choice. They had to either disagree or agree, or strongly disagree or strongly agree. Later in the semester, we did the same survey, but we added number 3, neither agree nor disagree. And the results showed that when given the neutral option, number 3, almost 20%, as you can see, of the students changed their answer to neither agree nor disagree. So it might be important at universities, maybe technology universities like TUT, when you're doing an English survey, maybe to add the number 3 choice, the neutral choice. Okay, so let me sum up what I've talked about so far. Mainly, the aim of my research, call, motivation, comparative studies, and questionnaire design, is to discover the needs of my students and help develop effective English instruction based on these needs. Students' needs change, or they are different from institution, university to university. So I want to find out what the needs are for students at this university. Thank you for coming. I hope to see all of you in my English classes here at豊橋University of Technology. And I hope to be speaking with you in English. Goodbye.